Hello, and welcome to Supermicro's 2026 AI Infrastructure Update. AI infrastructure continues to advance at an incredible pace. In this update, we'll provide an overview on the latest new NVIDIA-based Supermicro AI products and solutions. Supermicro is known for the breadth of our offerings, and we will cover the entire portfolio and how you can find exactly the best product for your specific requirements. We'll also delve into the proven AI factory reference architectures that provide the blueprints for rapid and successful AI deployment. The market has evolved from individual systems to turnkey rack scale and even data center scale AI factory solutions that help customers turn Supermicro systems and NVIDIA platforms into solutions that accelerate time to market, reduce deployment risk, and enable scaling with confidence. We will cover every AI use case, from AI training to enterprise AI, edge AI, and AI storage. And we'll delve into the supporting data center infrastructure, what we call data center building blocks, or DCBBS, required to deploy the entire solution literally from the ground up. Today, we'll walk through 4 key areas of focus that directly impact customer success: max density liquid-cooled AI training, AI computing from AI factories to the edge, reference architectures for AI factories, and AI storage solutions that power the data layer. Let's get started.
AI feels instantaneous today. Tap a button and within seconds an image appears, creative, realistic, and uniquely yours. But that experience didn't begin with inference. It began years earlier inside large-scale AI training environments, built to push the limits of modern infrastructure. Modern AI models don't just generate output in a single pass. They increasingly rely on multi-step reasoning, internal deliberation, and test time scaling, vastly raising the amount of computation happening behind every response. Training state-of-the-art AI models stresses every layer of the system at once: compute density, memory bandwidth, interconnect speed, power delivery, and thermal efficiency. And as models grow more complex, performance no longer comes from a single breakthrough. It comes from how well these elements work together as a system. That's why the majority of AI infrastructure investments is still focused on training. AI may be impressive today, but companies are investing heavily in the inference of tomorrow. This is where Supermicro plays a critical role. Supermicro transforms NVIDIA's most advanced platforms, including NVIDIA Blackwell Ultra and upcoming Vera Rubin architecture, into deployable AI factory building blocks. Platforms like Supermicro 4U liquid-cooled, NVIDIA HGX Supercluster, and GB300 NVL72 rack-scale systems are engineered to operate as complete balanced systems rather than standalone servers. These solutions integrate GPUs, high-speed networking, power delivery, and direct-to-chip liquid cooling, all validated together before deployment. The result is predictable performance, higher density, and faster time to online. Supermicro ships the AI infrastructure that's engineered, tested, and ready to run at a scale. That's what Built to Accelerate means, turning NVIDIA platforms into production-ready high-performance AI factories.
Enterprise today don't deploy AI in one place. They deploy it everywhere, across retail stores, factories, logistics hubs, and offices, while relying on centralized AI factories to train and refine models. To make this work, AI must be distributed across multiple layers of infrastructure, each optimized for a specific role. At the device layer, sensors, cameras, and controllers generate raw data. Supermicro compact box systems, including fanless and ruggedized platforms, sit closest to the actions, handling injections and immediate responses in space and power-constrained environments. At the edge layer, intelligence scales up. Enterprise deploys Supermicro short-depth server and Supermicro PCIe GPU systems powered by the RTX Pro Blackwell server, GPUs inside stores, factories, and local equipment rooms. These systems aggregate data from thousands of devices and run real-time inference locally, delivering decisions in milliseconds without relying on the cloud. This is where latency-sensitive AI lives. Video analytics, safety monitoring, and operational optimization. Above the edge sit the AI factory, dense centralized platforms such as Supermicro superclusters. Using NVIDIA HGX and RTX Pro server GPUs, handle training, fine-tuning, and advanced inference workload like retrieval augmented generation. Supermicro enables this entire spectrum with a consistent systems approach. From compact edge platforms to rack-scale AI factories, all valid to work together. Distributed AI isn't about choosing cloud or edge. It's about designing a unified architecture where each layer does what is best.
When people talk about AI factories, it's easy to imagine abstract GPU clusters in the cloud. But for enterprise AI factories, these are physical systems that must be meticulously designed to scale and deploy reliably, often under tight timelines. An AI factory isn't just servers, it's repeatable architectures that brings together compute, networking, power, cooling, and management into a system that works from day one. This is where many high-potential AI data centers fail to launch. Not because the GPUs are not powerful enough, but because one out of dozens of foundational execution steps was overlooked. Integrating hundreds, thousands of components across racks, mismatched firmware, unstable configurations, and long qualification cycles. Supermicro addresses these challenges with our validated AI factory reference architectures delivered through Supermicro supercluster solutions. A supercluster, whether built on the NVIDIA RTX Pro server platform for inferencing or visualization, or the NVIDIA HGX platform for large model training and inference, is pre-architected, assembled, and tested as complete rack-scale solution before shipment. Compute nodes, GPUs, networking, storage, power components, and management software are all validated together. Supermicro superclusters are validated to perform across the NVIDIA AI software stack, including NVIDIA AI Enterprises, Run AI, and Mission Control. Instead of spending months designing the infrastructure, enterprises deploy standardized, repeatable configurations that scale predictably from a single rack to multi-rack AI factories. Once validated, these designs can be replicated across regions or business units with confidence. By combining NVIDIA's platforms with Supermicro system and rack-level engineering and manufacturing expertise, superclusters turn AI factories from complex infrastructure projects into deployable solutions.
The AI infrastructure conversation often starts and ends with GPUs, but AI is fundamentally a data management and I/O problem. Training, fine-tuning, inference, and retrieval augmented generation all depend on moving massive data sets efficiently without storage becoming a bottleneck. At the beginning of the AI pipeline is data collection. Supermicro's top loading storage platforms with 60 or 90 drive bays provide the scale needed for big data. These platforms are optimized for large sequential throughput and deliver best-in-class cost per terabyte. From this unstructured data lake, data moves from that spinning media to NVMe SSDs, where it is staged and refined for model training and fine-tuning. Supermicro's petascale servers feature I/O-balanced PCIe Gen 5 architectures delivering extreme performance and power efficiency using the next generation EDSF media. These systems are designed With broad compatibility for the AI data platform solutions we are delivering with our partners such as Vast Data, DDN, Weka, Cloudian, and others. The AI user experience comes into sharp focus at the inference stage, where new innovations impact customer competitiveness. Emerging agentic AI and multi-stage reasoning workloads are driving a new class of storage that places recent queries and intermediate results on a shared storage infrastructure, freeing the GPU memory and reducing redundant computation. Using Supermicro's latest solutions powered by NVIDIA BlueField-4 and Spectrum-X networking, storage becomes an active part of the real-time inference workload. From capacity-dense hard drive platforms to ultra-fast all-flash NVMe systems, Supermicro provides the storage building blocks that keep AI factories running efficiently.
We hope you enjoyed Supermicro's 2026 AI infrastructure update. From the AI factory to the edge, Supermicro is committed to delivering total solutions with industry-leading performance and speed to market built upon NVIDIA's latest AI platforms.